time to look at the 3D printer. So again, you're going to go to your Omnibox files. There's two that are already down here that you can see. This is the one you need, the G code, but I'm going to show you how we actually got to that. So I'm going to download this file so I can open it. And we use the Dremel 3D printers, and they have their own slicing software. So I need to make sure that it opens correctly. I'm going to do this a little differently. I'm going to drag this to my desktop. And again, this has all been done for you. But I want to open it. So this is your Dremel 3D. This is the actual file when you open it here, what it looks like. So you can see it's this little corner piece. If I needed to open it, I would open the file and then pull that piece up. Now, basically, the 3D printer is really easy. You need to specify the speed. The material is always going to be set for you. And then how much infill, 0%, 20, 100. 20 is a pretty good number for us. It's fast enough to do it, but also strong enough. So when you're ready to slice it, basically it's going to make the layers for it and build it all the way up. You hit prepare. And this part down at the bottom is important to pay attention to. It's going to take me 22 minutes to print this part. So once I have that, if I have a flash drive, so if I plug a flash drive into the computer, it'll actually prompt me to save it to that drive. So if I was to save this, save to removable drive, it's going to save it as this Omnibox corner jig piece. Hit there. It's going to save it, and then I'm going to eject that drive and take it over to the 3D printer. Okay, so we have two 3D printers, right? They just have the same. They just have different color filaments in them right now. And what we're going to do is turn it on, let it power itself up, and then print the file that we just did. So the power button is over on this side. You just flip the switch. It takes it a second. And it's going to power up. And all you need to do when you're ready to get the material out is you can open up that part. You can open up this part to change the filament. But for what we're doing, you don't have to do any of that. You're just going to basically plug it in and hit start. So it's taking a second to kind of initialize itself. All right, so it's ready to print. We can see down here at what our options are. I'm going to put the flash drive in. So basically, you just insert it in the slot that's provided. Once you do that, it's going to read your drive, and it will have the option to now build. So if I click on build, right, I have my USB drive in the middle, and I'm going to find the Omnibox jig, Omnibox corner jig. It says it's going to take 22 minutes, and basically I just hit build in the corner, and it's going to copy the file to its local memory. And this is a key feature with this machine is it's going to auto level that plate. So it's going to figure out where the corners are, and then it's going to start printing. We have a little bit of dust on the plate, so hopefully we have good adhesion. I'm going to let this run, and hopefully in 22 minutes we have our part. Alright, so our part is done. It's time to get it off the build plate. So you just open up the front. You have a little thing, and there you go. There is our part that we have created that will hopefully help us with our corner jig placement.